Hey guys, I just got home from shopping and today I'm going to show you guys what's inside my vegan refrigerator. This is my first time ever having my own vegan refrigerator because I used to live with non-vegans. So I got some groceries today, so I'm going to show you what I bought in my vegan refrigerator. Start off is with these Dave's Killer Bread bagels. They're so delicious and tasty. And this is my spice drawer. So I'm trying to have like a spice collection right now, but I got some turmeric I just bought today, some nutritional yeast, garlic powder, cinnamon, chili powder, thyme, parsley, all that stuff. And there's some salt and pepper that I just bought today at the store. Over here I just bought some avocados, so I'm gonna have this with my bagels. I love avocado and everything bagel. So delicious, so filling. So yeah, these are just about 3 bags of avocados. Here is the coffee drawer, or coffee pantry, should I say. I bought this for myself today. It is the Totino's French roast. I am very sensitive to caffeine, and this does taste like coffee, but there's no caffeine, and it's basically a coffee alternative. It's delicious and it tastes like coffee. My husband does drink coffee, so he has his folders over there, but I am very sensitive to caffeine, so I got this, and this is really good. The French roast and the hazelnut coffee alternative is my favorite one so far. So put that back there. Alright guys, so now we are in the freezer. So I just got 2 bags of broccoli right here, and I got the peeping cookies, non-dairy, from Ben & Jerry's, as well as my favorite, the fudge brownie. It's really good, really delicious. Over here I got some Big Sur burritos. These are really good. Crispy tenders from Gardein. The strips. I have the porkless bites right here, the mandarin chicken right here. There's some Beyond Meat crumbles. There's some Morningstar veggie pulled pork, which I haven't tried yet, but I'm gonna try it out. These are really good. The field roast Fruffler wings are so delicious, so I just got those right there. Down here I have the Sweet Earth General Tso's tofu, which is really delicious, and then I have 10 boxes of the Amy's pad thai, and this is what I usually bring to work with me. It's really delicious and filling, so yeah. So that's my freezer. Over here I just have some Earth Balance butter, really good vegan butter. I have the Silk Almond Creamer in sweet and creamy and vanilla. Got some garlic, minced garlic right here, and some better than bouillon to make gravy or anything really. Down here I have some soy sauce, some ketchups, sriracha, some Daya ranch dressing, Daya Caesar dressing, and Daya blue cheese dressing, and these are all really delicious. Over here I have some Daya shreds right here, 2 of them, and then the tofu sour cream, very delicious. I have some green onions right here and some shredded carrots for salads. These are for my animals. It's kale, and I have some spring salad for myself. Make a salad. It's just like a Caesar salad. I have a shitload of firm tofu right there, like at least 12 tofus total. Over here I have the Tofurkeys Italian sausages, and I bought 4 packs. I have the Tofurkeys slow roasted chicken, really good, and then the Light Life Smart bacon in the back. Over here I have some water, some orange juice, and some silk almond milk. So here is the refrigerator section. Alright guys, we are in the pantry, or in the dark pantry right now. So I have some Amy's tortillas, 4 things of spaghetti sauce right here, potatoes, peanut butter, a backup of the diamond cheese. I have pinto beans and black beans and chili beans, some extra virgin olive oil back there, some Daya mac and cheese, and some penne pasta that I bought today for spaghetti, whole grain, some oatmeal, and some rice. And this is my vegan pantry. Anyways guys, so that is everything that I have today in my vegan refrigerator, pantry, and my drawers. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.